Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to create WhatsApp avatar. So in order to do that, let's click this three dots up here, click on settings, and you will see here an option for the avatar right here. Let's click on that and click this create your avatar button. And then this will redirect you to this page wherein you can choose skin tone for your avatar. So let's choose this and click on next. And then choose here a hairstyle that you want to use. For me, I will choose this hairstyle right here. And in here, by clicking this, you can choose a hair color that suits your avatar. So let's choose this hair color. And then by clicking this, you can choose an outfit for your avatar. So let's choose this outfit right here. And then let's click this eye icon. And you can change the eye shape of your avatar. Click this icon right here again, and you can apply eye makeup. And by clicking this palette right here, you can change the eye color of your avatar. So let's make it violet, like that. And let's click this brow icon. You can change the shape of your avatar's brows, like this. You can make it thin, medium, or thick. For me, I will keep it thin. And then let's click this palette again in order to change its color. So let's make it like this. And then let's click this icon right here in order to add a bindi if you want, or if you don't want to add something like that, just click on none. And then let's click this nose icon right here to modify the nose of our avatar. So let's choose this. It can be small, large, or medium, but for me I'll remain small. Let's click this right here in order to add a nose piercing if you want. So I will add this right here and scroll again until you can see the lips icon. So in here you can add a lip for your icon. It can be full or thin, whatever you like. And by clicking this lipstick icon, you can change the lip color. So let's add this lip color right here. And then after that, let's click this face icon, and this will change the face shape of your avatar, like that or like that. It totally depends on you if you want it wide, medium, or narrow, like that. Then after that, let's click this right here. This is for the jawline. I will remain like that, so I will not choose anything. And click this if you want to add face markings. So for me, I will just add this. Then click this for face lines if you want to add any. But for me, I don't want to add any face lines. You can also add a facial hair. I don't want to add anything like that since this is a female character. So I will not choose that. You can add ear piercings or earrings. So let's add this right here. But it doesn't show since my hair is very long. So let's click this for hearing devices if you want to add something like hearing devices. You can also change the color if you have hearing devices selected. You can also add eyeglasses or caps or anything like that. And that's the end of the list. And once you're satisfied with everything, just click on done, click on save changes, and click on next. And as you can see right now, this is our avatar. Let's click this browse stickers, and you can see here the stickers that we can use using our avatar. So let's head back to our chat, and you can use your stickers to your chats by clicking this emoticon emoji right here, and you can see this in here, which is your avatar. And as you can see, here are the stickers that I can use. So let's try sending one. That's it. Mic drop. You can use your avatar like this. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.